आप लोग कितनी बार ये स्टोरी सुनते हैं कि विप्रो का अगर एक शेयर 1980 में लिया होता तो आज इतने करोड़ का होता, या आप टीसीएस के बारे में सुनते हैं कि टीसीएस का एक शेयर आपने 19 या इन्फोसिस के बारे में आप सुनते हैं कि बीएलएस इंटरनेशनल अपने रिजर्व से आपको बोनस देगी और कितने बोनस शेयर इशू करेगी? 20 करोड़। Welcome back, investors and traders. Today I'm going to be talking about a stock which I gave on Diwali, and it is a multi-bagger. Over years it has given, over 1 year it has given almost like 200% return. In this stock now we're going to be getting a bonus share. If you remember, on Diwali day, if you come to my screen, I have given you BLS International. It is a very, very rock solid stock, and I have explained you that I really like the fundamentals. And this is in radar of a very, very renowned investors have invested in this particular stock. So once again, let me get you on the screen. This is BLS International. I was explaining you that how the accumulation took place, how the volume expansion happened, how the stock started moving in a channel, and see the channel has been broken today. If you notice, this channel has been broken today. The stock has given a gap up opening and then it has come down. So what I'm going to share with you is an information which you can use and get the benefit in the future. So with 909% return in 3 years, this multi-bagger stock announces a 1:1 share issue. What does it exactly mean? So BLS International Services, which is listed on NSE, had its board meeting on Monday. This Monday means today is 9th. The meeting happened on 7th of November, where they have decided 1:1 bonus share issue. For this purpose, the company will be issuing as many as 20 crore 54 lakhs 10,000 equity shares of 1 rupee each, and these bonus shares will be issued from free reserve created out of profits of the company. So isn't it amazing, that the company is going to issue the shares from the reserves, and if a company is making profit, then only the company will be sharing it with you in the form of either dividend or bonus share. The board recommended the bonus issue of equity share in the proportion of 1 new equity share of rupee 1 each for every 1 existing share of rupee 1, each held by the shareholders of the company, as on the record date, which will be determined later on, said the company's filing with the exchange. Again, मैं जो लोग हिंदी में समझना चाहते हैं, मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि BLS इंटरनेशनल अपने रिजर्व से आपको बोनस देगी और कितने बोनस शेयर इशू करेगी? 20 करोड़ 20 crore 54 lakh 10,000 shares, and 1:1 bonus will be issued. If you are holding 1 share, you'll get 1 bonus share, and X bonus share date will be determined sometime later. The stock has rallied recently after the investor Shankar Sharma bought stake in the company via bulk deal. Now, the stock in a year to the date multi-bagger with a 259% return, while in the last 1 year it had rallied almost like 200%. BLS International Services, based out of New Delhi, is an online visa application center in India that provides visa consultancy services for individuals, students, families, and many more. I have always said that I really like these kind of companies who don't need to sell anything. Like, it's compulsory for us to go through them if we need visa. I like such kind of services, and for that reason, my vote always will remain with BLS International, and the way it has given a breakout today. आज आप देखेंगे ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रेक किया है, ऑल्दो ऊपर से थोड़ा नीचे आया स्टॉक. हमने इसके लिए बाइंग के लिए हमने बोला था कि ये आपको 346 के आसपास बाय करना है, और आज इसने 378 का हाई लगाया, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक आपको 30-35 पॉइंट्स और 10% का मूव आज के दिन इसमें आपको मिल गया है. बट होल्ड करके रखिए. आप लोग कितनी बार ये स्टोरी सुनते हैं कि विप्रो का अगर एक शेयर 1980 में लिया होता तो आज इतने करोड़ का होता, या आप टीसीएस के बारे में सुनते हैं कि टीसीएस का एक शेयर आपने 19 या इन्फोसिस के बारे में आप सुनते हैं कि एक शेयर अगर हमने 1982 में 85 में लिया होता तो आज हमारा वेल्थ इतने करोड़ का होता था। किस लिए? क्योंकि बोनस शेयर को, जब आपको बोनस शेयर मिलते हैं तो आपका शेयर होल्डिंग जो है डबल हो जाता है। इसी तरह करते करते धीरे धीरे आपका वेल्थ ग्रो होगा और एक बहुत अच्छी कंपनी बहुत अच्छी वैल्यूएशन पे है और एक बहुत अच्छे ब्रेकआउट इसने दिया है और आपको बोनस शेयर मिल रहा है। ये मेरे तरफ से ना कोई बाय रिकमेंडेशन ना कोई सेल रिकमेंडेशन है। मैं देख रही हूँ कमेंट बॉक्स में सम group of people is continuously writing that I am kind of rigging the market, like I'm trying to uh, give suggestions in bad stocks. You have to make your own choice. Neither I'm saying you buy or I'm saying you sell. I'm just sharing information with you. Choice is yours completely, and do not troll me in case stock goes down. I always give you stop loss. If it hits, come out of it. If you feel like holding and averaging at the lower levels, do it by your own choice. I'm not responsible for your trades, right? I'm just sharing my research. So take owners of what you do, right? You can't always say that you said it and I did it. I don't know how much share you bought. I don't know whether you sold your house and invested in that particular stock. I don't know whether you have really, you're really doing your money management. You have to do that part on your side. So again, just to conclude the video, BLS International, strong fundamentals, strong breakout, and bonus share. What else do you want? There are three things together. Trend breakout, bonus share, very, very beautiful company, very, very nice company. If you want to buy a good company, buy good shares, good fundamental share company, and that's how you will be able to make wealth in stock market. Don't invest in stuff like Suzlon, Yes Bank, etc. Where certainly your money is surely is going to become zero. Invest in good stocks, maybe fewer stocks, but they will in long term give you huge benefit. So with this, I'll be signing off. Keep it on radar. See yourself. Read fundamentals. Read reports about BLS International. If you feel confident, then you invest. All the best. Take care.